Hello everyone. In the last video, we have studied some problems on Laplace transformation of periodic functions. Today I am going to explain a very important topic in the Laplace transformation, that is unit step function or Heaviside function. The Heaviside function or unit step function is usually represented as h or theta or u is a discontinuous function whose values are 0 for negative arguments and 1 for non-negative arguments. Here the word Heaviside is a scientist name who actually developed this unit step function. Actually this function was originally developed in operational calculus for the solution of differential calculus, where it represents as signal which switches on at a specific time and switches on indefinitely. The Oliver Heaviside, who developed operational calculus as a tool in the analysis of telegraphic communication and represents the function as 1. Then what is the formula of unit step function? It is h into t minus a or u into t minus a equals 0 for t less than or equal to a and 1 for t greater than a, where a is a constant. This is the formula or definition of unit step function. Coming to the properties of unit step function, we have two important properties of unit step function. So first one is Laplace of u into t minus a is, it is e power minus as divided by s. And second one is Laplace of f of t minus a into u into t minus a is e power minus as into f bar s, where f bar s is the Laplace of f of t. So also remember two more points to solve some problems on unit step function. So if f of t equals f1 of t for t less than or equal to a and f2 of t for t greater than a, then Laplace of f of t or unit step function f of t is f1 of t plus this minus into this f2 of t minus f1 of t into u into t minus a. Remember this one. Okay. And also if we have three terms, that is if f of t equals f1 of t for t less than or equal to a, f2 of t for a less than t less than b, and f3 of t for t greater than b, then f of t is f1 of t plus this minus this f2 of t minus f1 of t into u into t minus a plus f3 of t minus f2 of t u into t minus b. So remember these two formulas to solve some problems on unit step function. Okay, let's go to some problems. Okay, first one. Find the Laplace transform of the function e power t minus 1 plus sine into t minus 1 into u into t minus 1. It is in the form of, so property number 2, f of t minus a into u into t minus a. Okay, so I will take this as f of t minus a. What is f of t minus a? It is e power t minus 1 into sine of t minus 1. Next, it is t minus 1. F of t, replace t by t plus 1 now. Replace t by t plus 1 because I need f bar s. So f bar s is Laplace of f of t. For that we require f of t here. So replace t by t plus 1. We will get e power t plus sin t. Then what is Laplace of f of t? What is Laplace of f of t? It is Laplace of e power t plus Laplace of sin t 1 over s minus 1 Laplace of e power t plus Laplace of sin t is 1 over s square plus 1. This is our f bar s. Okay, then what is Laplace of f of t minus a into u into t minus a? It is e power minus as into f bar s. So standard property of unit step function. Then this problem, because what is f of t minus a? It is f of t minus 1 is e power t minus 1 plus sin into t minus 1 into u into t minus 1. U into t minus 1 equals e power minus a into s. In the place of a we have 1. So replace a by 1. It is e power minus s into f bar s. What is f bar s? It is 1 over s minus 1 plus 1 over s square plus 1. Okay, I'll take one more problem. Find the Laplace transformation of t square plus 3t plus 4 into u into t minus 2. Okay, I'll take f of t minus 2 as because we need to take this in the form of f of t minus a. That's why I have chosen here f of t minus 2. F of t minus 2 is t square plus 3t plus 4. What is f of t? Replace t by t plus 2. It is t plus 2 whole square plus 3 into t plus 2 plus 4. Simplify this. T square plus 4 plus 4t, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 3t plus 6 plus 4. That is t square plus 4t plus 3t, it is 7t plus 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4, it is 14. Then Laplace of f of t equals, so Laplace of t square, I'll directly write the results. Laplace of t square is 2 factorial by s cube plus 7 into Laplace of t, it is 1 by s square plus Laplace of 14 constant is 14 by s. This is our f bar s. Then what is Laplace of f of t minus a into u into t minus a? It is e power minus as into f bar s. Okay, so f of t minus a is f of t minus 2 now. F of t minus 2 into u into t minus 2 is nothing but e power minus 2s into f bar s. What is f bar s? It is 2 by s cube plus 7 by s square plus 14 by s. So this is the required result for t square plus 3t plus 4 into u into t minus 2. Okay. Next I will take one more. 1 minus e power 2t into u into t plus 1. Take f of t plus 1 equals 1 minus e power 2t. I require f of t. So replace t by t minus 1. This becomes 1 minus e power 2 into t minus 1 equals 1 minus e power 2t into e power minus 2. So 2t minus 2 mathematical indices. Okay. Then Laplace of f of t equals Laplace of 1 minus 1 by e square is constant. So Laplace of, we are remaining with Laplace of e power 2t. Laplace of 1, it is 1 by s minus 1 by e square into Laplace of e power 2t, it is 1 over s minus 2. This is our required f bar s. Then Laplace of f of t plus 1 into u into t plus 1. I can write this as e power minus a is, what is minus what is a? It is minus 1, so it is e plus s into f bar s. That is e power s into 1 by s minus into 1 over s minus 2. So this is the result for 1 minus e power 2t into u into t plus 1. Okay. Next problem. So here we have f of t. So equals to t for 0 less than t less than 4. So 5 for t greater than 4. Express this function in terms of Heaviside function first. Okay, then apply the Laplace transformation to solve this. So question will be like this: express the following function in terms of unit step function and hence find its Laplace of transformation. So for that we require the formula of f1 of if f of t equals f1 of t and f2 of t for t less than or equal to a into t greater than a. Okay, for this we have f of t equals f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u into t minus a. So apply this now. F of t equals, what is f1 of t? It is t plus, because in the place of f1 of t we have t. Next plus f2 of t minus f1 of t. It is 5 minus t into u into t minus 4. So this is nothing but unit step function. Now we have applied unit step function here. Then we require Laplace for this. So what is Laplace of f of t? What is Laplace of f of t? It is Laplace of t plus Laplace of 5 minus t into u into t minus 4. I will take this as equation 1. So for first one, Laplace of t equals, I know the value of Laplace of t, it is 1 by s square. I will take this as equation 2. Next, we need to find Laplace of 5 minus t into u into t minus 4. Okay, u into t minus 4. Take this. To find the Laplace of 5 minus t into u into t minus 4, I will take f of t minus 4. What is f of t minus 4? It is 5 minus t. Then f of t equals, replace t by t plus 4. 5 minus t plus 4. It is 5 minus t minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 minus t. Then Laplace of f of t is Laplace of 1. It is 1 by s minus Laplace of t is 1 by s square. So this is our f bar s. Then Laplace of 5 minus t into u into t minus 4 is e power minus as into f bar s. What is e power minus as? It is e power minus 4s into f bar s is 1 by s minus 1 by s square. Remember, here I have used the formula Laplace of f of t minus a into u into t minus a as e power minus as into f bar s. I have used this formula to get e power minus 4s into 1 by s minus 1 by s square. I will take this as equation 3. So equation 1 becomes, by using equation 2 and equation 3, finally we get the Laplace of f of t. What is Laplace of f of t? Laplace of f of t is, first one, equation 2, it is Laplace of t 1 by s square, plus second one, it is e power minus 4s into 1 by s minus 1 by s square. This is small f of t. So this is the result. Next problem. So we have, if f of t equals cos t for 0 to pi, 1 for pi to 2 pi and sin t for t to 2 pi, express this function in terms of Heaviside function and hence find its Laplace transformation. To express this function f of t in terms of unit step function means we already know about this. So important note, what is f of t that? So important note, f of t equals f1 of t for t less than or equal to a and f2 of t for a less than t less than or equal to b and f3 of t for t greater than b. Then f of t equals, then f of t equals, it is f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u into t minus a. So solution for this. And next f32 minus f32. f32 minus f2 of 2 into u into this one t minus b. So this is the required unit step function now. So what is f of t here? Now apply this. What is f of t? It is f1 of t cos t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t. f2 of t, it is 1 minus cos t into u into t minus a, it is u into t minus pi, plus next sin t minus 1 u into t minus 2 pi. So Laplace of f of t is Laplace of cos t plus Laplace of 1 minus cos t into u into t minus pi plus Laplace of sin t minus 1 u into t minus 2 pi. I will take this as equation 1. Next we need to solve these things. We know the Laplace of cos t. What is Laplace of cos t? It is s divided by s square plus 1. Simple. Next I require 1 minus cos t u into t minus pi. U into t minus pi. So Laplace of 1 minus cos t into u into t minus pi means I will take this as f of t minus pi. So to get the result I will choose this as f of t minus pi equals 1 minus cos t. F of t equals, replace t by t plus pi. Replace t by t plus pi. It is 1 minus cos of t plus pi or pi plus t equals 1 minus, what is cos of 180 plus theta? What is cos of 180 plus theta? It is minus cos t. So this becomes 1 plus cos t. I will explain how we get this. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. A, S, T, C, 0, pi by 2, pi 180 degree, 270, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. 2 pi. For this, to get cos of 180 plus theta, see here for 90 plus or minus theta and 270 plus or minus theta, function will change. Function will change means, so cos function becomes sin, sin becomes cos, tan become cot, cot become tan. For 180 plus or minus theta and 360 plus or minus theta, function will never change. Cos becomes cos only, sin becomes sin only, tan becomes tan only. See here, we have cos of 180 plus theta. What is cos of 180 plus theta? Cos of 180 plus theta means, see, we have 180. In the case of 180, cos becomes cos only, so it is cos theta. And we have 180 plus theta. This is 0, 90, 180. 180 plus theta means third quadrant. In the third quadrant, tan is positive. Here we have cos, so this is minus cos t. So cos of 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. I will take one more example. Sin of 90 plus theta. What is sin of 90 plus theta? In the case of 90, so if you have 90, then sin becomes cos, because for 90 and 270s function will change. So sin becomes cos theta. 90 plus theta, 90 is here, 90 plus theta is first quadrant, we have sin only, so sin of 90 plus theta is cos theta, because we have sin in the first quadrant. Similarly, we can find cos of 90 plus theta, tan of 90 plus theta, tan of 260 plus theta, 270 plus theta, and also one more thing. So what is cos of 360 plus theta now? What is cos of 360 plus theta? 360, look here, 360 plus theta, function will not change. So cos becomes cos only. 360 is here. 360 plus theta is first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all terms are positive. So it is cos theta only. Okay, na? By keeping this in mind, I can write cos of 180 plus theta as minus cos theta. Okay, next, Laplace, I require Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t equals 1 plus Laplace of 1, it is 1 by s, plus Laplace of cos t is s divided by s square plus 1. This is our f bar s. Then the required f of t minus pi into u into t minus pi is nothing but e power minus as. It is e power minus pi s into f bar s. F bar s is 1 by s plus s divided by s square plus 1. I will take this as equation 2. And next one. So to find Laplace of sin t minus 1 into u into t minus 2 pi, we'll take it as g, just to avoid ambiguity. It is g of t minus 2 pi equals sin t minus 1. Sin t minus 1. Then what is g of t? Replace t by t plus 2 pi. Sin of t plus 2 pi minus 1 equals sin of 360 plus theta. What is sin of 360 plus theta? In the case of 360, function will not change. So sin becomes sin only. 360 plus theta means first quadrant. So this becomes sin theta minus 1. Then what is Laplace of g of t? What is Laplace of g of t? It is 1 over s square plus 1 minus Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. This is our g bar s. Then Laplace of g of t minus 2 pi into u into t minus 2 pi means it is e power minus 2 pi into g bar s. It is g bar s means e power minus 2 pi s. E power minus 2 pi s into g bar s. It is 1 by s square plus 1 minus 1 by s. I will take this as equation 3. Equation 1 becomes equation 1 by using equation 2, 3. Oh, sorry, I will take this as equation 2 and this as 3 and this as 4. By using equation 2, 3, 4, we will get the required result of Laplace of f of t. What is that? By using equation 2, I can write Laplace of cos t as s divided by s square plus 1. Plus next Laplace of 1 minus cos t into u into t minus pi. Equation 3, it is e power minus pi s 1 by s plus s divided by s square plus 1. Plus next Laplace of sin t minus 1 into u into t minus 2 pi. It is equation 4, e power minus 2 pi s into 1 over s square plus 1 minus 1 by s. So this is the result for this problem. So next problem, find the Laplace, express this function in terms of Laplace and find its Laplace transformation. So I can write ft of t equals f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u into t minus a plus f3 of t minus f2 of t into u into t minus b. So this becomes 1 plus t minus 1 u into t minus 1 plus t square minus t into u into t minus t. Then find the Laplace for this. Then find the Laplace. So it is Laplace of 1, Laplace of f of t equals plus Laplace of t minus 1 into u into t minus 1, Laplace of t square minus t into u into t minus t, so t minus 2 equals, So Laplace of 1, I will take this as equation 1. Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. Take it as equation 2. Then consider this one, t minus 1 into u into t minus 1. So to find the Laplace, I will choose this as f of t minus 1. What is f of t minus 1? It is t minus 1 only. Then what is f of t? It is t. So Laplace of f of t is 1 by s square. Then finally Laplace of f of t minus 1 into u into t minus 1 is e power minus as. In the place of a we have 1. E power minus as into f bar s, it is 1 by s square. I will take this as equation 3. So simple. Next, consider this. To find Laplace of t square minus t into u of t minus 2, I will take g into t minus 2 equals t square minus t. Then what is g of t? It is t plus 2 whole square minus t plus 2, which is equal to t plus 2 whole square, a square plus 4 plus 2ab minus t minus 2, t square plus 3t plus 2, t square 4t minus t, 3t, 4 minus 2, it is 2. Then Laplace of g of t is Laplace of t square 2 by s cube, Laplace of t 1 by s plus Laplace of 1 by s square, Laplace of 2 is 2 by s. So this is our g bar s. Finally Laplace of g into t minus 2. G into 2 minus 2 means t square minus 2. I can write t square minus t into u into t minus 2 also. So both are same. Into u into t minus 2 is e power minus as. Here we have 2 into g bar s. 2 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 2 by s. Take this as equation 4. So equation 1 becomes, by using equation 2, 3, 4, I can write the result as Laplace of f of t equals 1 by s plus e power minus s into 1 by s square plus this one e power minus 2s into 2 by s cube plus 3 by s square plus 2 by s. So this is the result. So next one, I have taken all the three terms in the form of trigonometric functions. Okay, so what is Laplace of f of t now? I will directly write the results. So Laplace of f of t equals Laplace of f1 of t, it is Laplace of cos t plus this one cos 2t minus cos t into u into t minus pi, and Laplace for this, plus third one cos 3t minus cos 2t into u into t minus 2 pi, and find and the Laplace for this. So I will take this as equation 1. Okay, so first one, Laplace of cos t, it is very simple, it is s divided by s square plus 1. As usual, I will take this as equation 2. Next, consider this. To find Laplace of cos 2t minus cos t u into t minus pi, I will take this cos t minus cos 2t minus cos t as f of t minus pi. It is cos 2t minus cos t. So what is f of t? Replace t by t plus pi. We will get cos of 2 into t plus pi minus cos of t plus pi equals cos 2t plus 2 pi minus cos of t plus pi. What is cos of 2 pi means 360. What is cos of 360 plus theta? In the case of 360, function will not change. Cos becomes cos only. So this is nothing but cos 2t. Cos of 360 plus theta is cos theta minus cos of 180 plus theta is minus cos t. It is already we have minus, so plus. So Laplace of f of t is s divided by s square plus 4 plus s divided by s square plus 1. This is our f bar s. Then Laplace of f of t minus pi u into t minus pi equals e power minus pi s into s divided by s square plus 4 plus s divided by s square plus 1. I will take this as equation 3. Next, I will consider this now. Laplace of cos 3t minus cos 2t u into t minus 2 pi. So, I will take this as g into t minus 2 pi. G into t minus 2 pi is cos 3t minus cos 2t. What is g of t? Replace t by t plus 2 pi. Cos of 3 into t plus 2 pi minus cos of 2 into t plus 2 pi. So, it is cos of 3t plus 6 pi minus cos of 2t plus 4 pi. It is cos of 3t plus 6 pi. 6 pi means 2 pi means 360. One round. Again 360 and 360. After that we will get the, we will remain with this place only. That is nothing but 2 pi. So 2 pi plus theta. It is first quadrant, so positive only. So I can write this as cos 3t. Cos of 6 pi plus 3t is cos 3t. Similarly, cos of 4 pi plus 2t is cos 2t. Laplace of g of t is s divided by s square plus 9 minus s divided by s square plus 4. This is our g bar s. And finally, Laplace of g2 minus 2 pi into u into t minus 2 pi is e power minus 2 pi s into g bar s only. Write that here. So I will take this as equation 4. So finally equation 1 becomes the result, final result. Laplace of f of t equals, what is Laplace of cos t? S divided by s square plus 1 by using equation 2. And for this use equation 3. It is e power minus pi s into s divided by s square plus 4 plus s divided by s square plus 1 plus e power minus 2 pi s into equation 4. It is s divided by s square plus 9 minus s divided by s square plus 4. So this is the result for this particular problem. So one more problem. It is f of t equals pi minus t for 0 to pi, sin t for t to pi. So what is f of t then? Express this in terms of unit step function. It is f of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u into t minus a. It is in the form of like this. So what is f of t? It is pi minus t plus sin t minus pi minus t into u into t minus pi. Find the Laplace for this. Laplace. I will write Laplace here only. Take this as equation 1. So Laplace of pi minus t equals Laplace of pi minus Laplace of t. Laplace of pi minus Laplace of t. Laplace of pi is pi by s minus Laplace of t is 1 by s square. I will write this as equation 2. Then consider this. Sin t minus pi minus t into u into t minus pi. Okay. So to find the Laplace, I will take f of t minus pi as sin t minus pi plus t. So replace f of t minus pi by f of t. We will get sin of t plus pi minus pi plus, again replace t by t plus pi. Plus pi minus pi will get cancelled. So it is minus pi plus t. Then f of t equals sin of 180 plus theta. What is 180 plus theta? It is third quadrant, so minus sin t plus t. Then Laplace of f of t is minus 1 over s square plus 1 plus 1 by s square. This is our f bar s. So final result f of t minus pi u into t minus pi is nothing but minus 1 over s square plus 1 by s square into e power minus pi s. It is e power minus as into f bar s. So I will take this as equation 3. So final result, equation 1 becomes Laplace of f of t equals equation 2 pi by s minus 1 by s square plus e power minus pi s into minus 1 over s square plus 1 plus 1 by s square. This is the result. Okay, so today we have solved so many problems on unit step functions. So try to solve these two problems, express these two problems in terms of unit step function first, then apply Laplace transformation for that. So in the last few videos we have learnt some standard functions of Laplace transformations properties, and some problems on Laplace transformation of periodic functions. Just now we have solved some problems on unit step functions also. In the next video I will explain inverse transformations.